A Fidelity margin account is a type of brokerage account that allows investors to borrow money from the brokerage firm to purchase securities. This account is offered by Fidelity Investments, a well-established financial services company. To open a Fidelity margin account, you must first meet the eligibility requirements, which include being at least 18 years old, having a valid Social Security number, and having a minimum amount of equity in your account. Once you have opened a Fidelity margin account, you can begin to use margin to purchase securities. Margin is the amount of money that you borrow from the brokerage firm to purchase securities. The amount of margin that you can use is determined by the brokerage firm and is based on the type of securities that you are purchasing. For example, if you want to purchase stocks, you may be able to use up to 50% margin, which means that you can borrow up to 50% of the purchase price of the stock. It is essential to understand the risks associated with using margin. If the value of the securities in your account falls, you may be required to deposit more money into your account to cover the shortfall. This is known as a margin call. If you fail to meet a margin call, the brokerage firm may sell some or all of the securities in your account to cover the shortfall. To avoid margin calls, it is crucial to monitor your account regularly and to maintain a sufficient amount of equity in your account. You should also have a clear understanding of the margin requirements for each security that you purchase. For example, some securities may have higher margin requirements than others, which means that you will need to have more equity in your account to purchase those securities. In addition to understanding the risks associated with using margin, it is also essential to understand the fees associated with a Fidelity margin account. These fees may include interest charges on the margin that you use, as well as other fees such as maintenance fees and inactivity fees. You should carefully review the fee schedule before opening a Fidelity margin account to ensure that you understand all of the fees that you will be charged. Best practices for using a Fidelity margin account include starting with a small amount of margin and gradually increasing the amount as you become more comfortable with using margin. You should also diversify your portfolio to minimize your risk and avoid concentrating your investments in any one security or industry. Finally, you should regularly review your account to ensure that you are meeting the margin requirements and to avoid margin calls. In conclusion, a Fidelity margin account can be a powerful tool for investors who want to use margin to purchase securities. However, it is crucial to understand the risks and fees associated with using margin and to follow best practices to minimize your risk and maximize your returns. By carefully reviewing the information provided and following these guidelines, you can use a Fidelity margin account to achieve your investment goals.